Hi guys, this is Lakshit here from Mahavir Agencies Chennai and இன்னைக்கு ஒரு Xylo வண்டியில சூப்பரான ஆடியோ அப்கிரேட்ஸ் and electrification upgrade பண்ணிருக்கோம். So வாங்க ஒண்ணா பார்க்கலாம் என்னென்ன upgrades இருக்குது. With the electrification upgrade, we have installed MOCO brand level XD04 Morel diamond system which comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage and along with it comes with licensed and authorized Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The audio upgrades, first பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we have installed Morel brand level Kinetic Series ஓட component and coaxial. இது ஸ்பீக்கர்ஸ்ல என்ன ஸ்பெசிபிக்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா this comes with moderate bass and clear highs because of the neodymium tweeters used in these brands. Next major audio upgrade for clear sound, for clear loudness and clear bass. We have installed Gold Horn brand level DSP 406 which comes as a 6-channel DSP with 4-channel amplifier too. After a proper tuning and staging procedure, the audio becomes much clearer, much louder. To control the DSP manually according to your sound level, according to your bass level, we have installed a DSP controller too which again comes in Gold Horn brand where you can control each and everything of your car's sound system. Next, jumping on to the very major upgrade, we have installed Shumoff brand level damping where it ensures there is complete noise cancellation, there is no rattling, there is no distortion, and jumping on to the point, the customer just enjoys his audio. For such more professional upgrade with guided approach, get in touch with us.